Hakuna. Hawezi.
Simpigie simu Mungu hata 200. Kidogo tusikie ndani.
Meli ambayo imefika imebeba tani 47 47,000 metric tons ya fertilizer ambayo imefika. Hiyo ni kama ngunia 950 na ine hapo ya fertilizer inaenda kupeanwa kwa kuongerera. The overall consumption on majani chai ya fertilizer yetu kwa wakulima is around 95,000 metric tons, na ndio meli ya kwanza kufika, na another 2 weeks meli nyingine inafika, and we expect in this from now on up to the month of November our farmers in the tea sector will be able to receive enough fertilizer for application in their own farms. There is no way one can sell, a farmer can sell his maize in this country at below 4,000 shillings per bag. So the farmers will get a better deal. And I want to also tell the country, the most important thing to note here is not the price at which you sell a bag, is what margin you make out of sale and bag, because government has seriously subsidized the cost of fertilizer, which is a serious component in the pricing of cost of production. So as far as I'm concerned, the country is doing well. Our farmers are performing better than now, and even if we were to sell their maize at 5,000, 5,400, 4,500, they are making better money than what they used to do last time.